Hey, it's Brandy here from Quilter on Fire, and today I'm finally unboxing something I've been dying to get into, the Quilt the North quilt box. Yes, I know, I am late to the party. I've been traveling so much for the last month, but we're fixing that right now. The first box sold out insanely fast, like blink and it's gone fast. The December box is out there, but it's almost sold out too. So if you want in, you need to go to the link in my description and click on that purchase to buy because they're going to be gone pretty quick. You've got to grab one before they're gone. So let's get into it. Let's see what's inside. The packaging is gorgeous. She's got everything branded. I just can't wait to crack it open. You almost don't want to take the wrapping apart because it's so pretty. Okay, the first thing we have in here is Bright Side Up. What a beautiful pattern. Leanne Parsons. She's the designer. And let's see. We've got Foundation Paper Piece Iceberg by Monika Henry. Monika is the one who creates this box. All kinds of lovely information about the designers and Leanne Parsons. Oh, there's some beautiful stuff in here. What a nice surprise. You have no idea what you're getting when you purchase the box. It features local artists, local pattern designers, all Canadian. Oh, look at this gorgeous puffin. So this is artist Amber McClure-Hutton. Oh my goodness, St. John's, Newfoundland. So this is a Newfoundland themed box. And look at the fabric, the solids. We've got yellow and blue. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Really nice solids. I have a feeling that they're for this pattern. So let's take a look at the pattern again. We've got the iceberg pattern, but this is what they're for, this pattern. So you get the pattern, you get the fabric and everything. There's one more little thing in here. Let me find it. Whoa, oh, it's a crush. Oh, it's a little candy. What a sweet treat. So awesome. So you get everything you need to make the project. You've got all the fabric. They're featuring a local Canadian designer with a beautiful pattern. Monika has one of her patterns as well, the iceberg, and then featuring a local artist as well. So well done, Monika. This is a really fun box, and I can't wait to make the quilt. So to sum it all up, we have, whoops, a sweet treat. Let's try again. So to sum it all up, we have a sweet treat. We have all the beautiful solid fabrics to make the project. We have the pattern by Leanne Parsons. We have another pattern by Monika Henry. We also have a gorgeous art card. It's a gift card, and it's by Amber McClure-Hutton, a local artist in the area. And then we also have these other two little things that are really cool. This is an artist card. It's almost like an artist trading card, but on the back, there's Leanne on the front. On the back, it has a tiny little mini block. So that's on the back. And then there's also this really great information card. So it's all about Leanne Parsons, the designer involved in the kit, and tells all about her, you know, what she's doing, when she's quilting, when she's not. And then it talks about Baie Verte, Newfoundland, and that's where she's from, and Leanne's recommendations for eating, visiting, hiking, and walking around. So, I'm wondering, do I need to go on a road trip? I love the value of a curated Canadian quilt box. So here's what you need to know. Order the December box immediately because they're almost sold out. If you miss the December box, don't panic. The spring box is next, or you can go all in and subscribe for the entire year for 2026. But these boxes vanish fast. If the December one is still available, grab it. The link is in the notes. If you snag your spring box while you can, you could decide to get just the spring box or do the whole year. So tell me in the comments, did you get the first Quilt the North box? What did you love most about it? And don't forget, use my affiliate link below to get your next box or subscribe for the whole year today. It supports my business at no extra cost to you, and it gets you into a seriously amazing Canadian quilting experience. If you like this unboxing, hit the like on this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to hit 10,000 on my channel, and of course, let me know in the comments what you think of Quilt the North. Monika worked really hard on this big launch, and she's done such a great job. I'll be back with more quilting joy very soon. Thanks for watching.